Cricut, and what did I say to you first thing?
Why don't we have it?
Why don't we have it? And lo and behold, we not only have it, we have it in a big, big way. Hey, honey.
Hi.
You ready to get started?
I'm very excited, yes.
Let's go. So you want to explain the concept first?
Okay, well, all right, sure. I was kind of waiting on her. So this is the nationwide launch of Cricut's Infusible ink, and that is the most vibrant iron-on dyeing system. It's ink, infusible ink, right? Versus, like when we were working with Cricut, we're always cutting iron-ons for t-shirts, right? Yep. And so infusible ink is something that, let me just show you, sort of, we'll just start with, this is what a traditional iron-on would look like. We would cut this on any Cricut machine, any electronic cutting machine, and apply it to a surface, okay? And it's sitting on top. And if you can see really close, you can see that I have 2 layers sitting on top, right? And this actually could be peeled away over time.
Yep, you're right.
Now, infusible ink is at one with its surface, meaning that it is, if you look at this, I'm gonna actually stretch it so that you can see, it's as if it was printed in the fabric, because it is. We're heating.
So it's infused into the fabric now.
Is, right into the surface. And so now you are able to do something we've never done before with our Cricut consumables. So very exciting, right?
It's great.
So we love to talk to all levels of crafters. And if you have a Cricut machine and you are thinking, wow, I want to try infusible ink, we have a bundle tonight that is amazing. But if you've never seen anything like an electronic cutting machine, we actually have the Cricut Explore Air 2 bundled with our infusible inks.
So you have 2 options you can buy it. You can buy it with the machine or without the machine, and we'll give you all the details right now so you can get started. So if you want the machine, we actually have 4 new colors. They've never done color in the Explore Air 2, and this is completely exclusive to you here at HSN. So we have the rose right in front of me, and then we have the blue down below, then we have the lilac in the front, love the purple, and we have the mint. And this is an electronic cutting machine that's the most versatile machine you ever own. You get all the regular goodies you get, including the mat, a lot of different tools.
So what this machine does is gonna cut over 100 different materials, meaning it can cut 100,000 different designs or your own design with this machine. So you're getting starter materials, you have a project right out of the box, and you're getting a mat with it. But the infusible ink bundle is amazing.
This is so cool.
I'm just gonna start it in front of me, which is you're going to get an entire tool set which you need for weeding, and there's scissors in this. There's butcher paper that comes with each sheet or each 2 sheets of infusible ink. Now this is what infusible ink looks like, and I'm gonna just take this out and show you. Do you see, this is a splash pad. Okay, that's what it's a brand new pattern. It's launching right here, right now. Splash pad comes in a box like this, and it has all of these wonderful colors inside of it, but it's watercolor. Okay, and when it is infused into, into a project, right? This isn't using the yellow, but you get the idea of the vibrancy, right? It's not gonna flake, it's not gonna peel.
Right.
You have the ability to cut a design out of this sheet. You're getting 12 of these, and I know, Suzanne, you love the value of this.
It's insane.
12, you're getting solids. This, what looks like brown is actually black, and you're gonna see how this transforms with heat.
Wow.
And your Easy Press too. We've got solids, and then the splash pad in the blue and the red and the yellow, and then this is the infusible ink pen.
Which is great.
So this machine draws and cuts at the same time. You can draw with infusible ink for the first time right here. And you're getting a specially designed infusible ink tote bag. It's a compatible tote bag. It's going to take the ink. Does that make sense? It's going to take the dye.
Right. And then wait a minute, you get the whole tool set. Oh honey, it ain't done. You get the entire tool set included in this extra set. So this is all the value, the bonus that's added to the Cricut. And then of course you're gonna get your blanks to work with as well, correct?
That's the butcher paper, and you're going to use that to protect your surface. And I'll show you how over on in my craft room over there.
Perfect.
But this is the tote bag that you're getting. We're getting the.
Well, that is really big.
There's 2 sizes. One of the best things, Suzanne, that I didn't tell you was that Cricut populated the whole hsn.com with everything they made for infusible infusible ink.
That's cool.
For us.
So everything.
All of these
the entire
blanks,
assortment, a ton of cool blanks. They're all in there.
Everything. So shall we make something?
Yes, let's make something. And I want to explain the value because I think this is hugely important. I couldn't wait for Infusibles to come out because the concept is so cool. If you were just to buy the 12 sheets of 12 by 12, if you go online right now, we will offer you 6 of these, so half the set. You can buy it right now at 6 pieces, which is great. It by itself is $25. When you do the math, just in the 12 by 12 sheets, we're talking a $60 value right here. And if you do not want the Cricut, because you already have one, that's $59.95. So if you were just getting the $59 set, you're saving a bit of money right there. But remember, we also include the tools to go along with it. The tool set is a $27 value on top of that. We offer the 5 of the infusible ink pens. That's an additional amount of money. We also offer the tote. And again, you'd buy all of this completely separately, which is gonna run you a whole lot more than $59.95. So if you have your Cricut, you're gonna go for the $59.95. If you, oh, and one extra note, right now, little-ish, sorry about this, but you have to call an operator to get it. If you want the $59.95 set, you've got to actually call in. It's real easy, just look at the 800 number that's down on the bottom of your screen, call in and say, give me that $59. If I were at home, knowing I had a Cricut, I would get multiples just to get my hands on the value alone of just that infusible ink sheets. It's huge, huge, huge. If you need that though, you gotta call in. If you want the entire bundle, you can call in or you can go online and type it in and you'll get everything for the the $229.95. Okay, make sense?
Right. Yes, absolutely.
All right.
So one of the things, if you've never seen anything like a Cricut before, it's a revolutionary electronic cutting machine, and it changed the game for us crafters. And I'm gonna sort of walk you through what's happening. I would choose a project from hundreds of ready-to-make projects in what is called it's a free software called Design Space. And what's amazing is that my tablet is talking to the machine, and I've picked an XO design, and I would actually cut it on the machine. And so what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna take your infusible ink sheet, it goes on the mat, and it goes in the machine, and the design is cut. Now this is what's really remarkable, is that the infusible ink, when you see it in my hand, and you see it infused onto the tote bag, do you see the vibrancy? Do you see like the amazing difference between what you see on the sheet, okay, right? And then what you see when it's infused into the tote bag. It just blooms in color. Right, it is, that's well put. So what we're going to do, so I have already cut mine, and one of the things that you are going to have to use is a heat press that is going to get up to 400 degrees. I'm using the Easy Press 2 and the Easy Press Matte, and this is brand new. See the little dots on the mat? Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna just turn my tote bag over.
Oh, and by the way, we popped up the Easy Press. Okay, here's another cool exclusive. They've now done the 12 by 10 Easy Press to match the Cricut Air we're selling tonight. So you can actually pick 4 different colors in the Easy Press.
So I did, I matched my machine to my Easy Press. I'm warming the tote bag surface for 15 seconds. Now, there's a heat transfer guide on Cricut.com that's gonna tell you everything you need to know about this process. This butcher paper, this is what you said, what was that on the table? This comes with the infusible ink, and it protects the design from the heat. And I'm also using a cardstock to protect the mat that I put inside the bag. You want a nice, flat, even surface.
Just a basic piece of cardstock.
Yeah, and so you're going to cut your design just like you would any iron-on or vinyl design with your Cricut. But the thing that really amazes me about the infusible ink is it already comes on this transfer sheet that we're used to. It's on the back. Turn your sheets over there.
Is it really?
They already say Cricut Infusible
hallelujah,
ink.
You don't need another transfer sheet. It's on here.
It's what you want to be really careful. You actually have to take a lint brush and remove any lint from the surface of your project, and because the lint will actually infuse into your project as well. And you can tape this in place. But there's a new heat transfer tape. But different than other Easy Press projects, I need to change my time. I should have done that first. time. I want to go to 40 seconds. And what's so amazing about this is that the Easy Press is going to do all the hard part for me. All right, and we're going straight down. And we're going to apply an even pressure to it. We're not going to move it. And once this 40 seconds is up, you know, we're going to be amazing.
It's like done.
Yes. So I have all these projects over here that I'd love for you to show.
Can we show a couple while you got your hands on the Easy Press?
It's probably boring to watch me push down on the Easy Press.
All right, so look how cute is this? So you did a silhouette design and a circle. And again, you're doing this on your Cricut. Super easy to do. That's awesome. I love that whole ombre look. The next one's gonna be, how cute is this?
That's drawn with the Infusible ink pen.
No way.
How close can you get to that dinosaur?
That, oh my God, you could be right on it. It is so exacting. Okay, that is so clever. So that's a name, that's a team name, whatever you want to do. Isn't that amazing? All right, down below, are you ready to reveal? I can stop.
I am.
You ready?
I am.
Oh, ta-ta-da.
So what's really remarkable about what's happening, my very first transfer, it scared me right here. It was like, oh my gosh, it didn't work. But it so worked. Because it's just gonna lift. Look at that. It's now dyed into my tote bag. It is absolute perfection. There, you know, and one of the things I know for me when I'm transferring iron-on material, I'm always kind of scared. in the finish of it. It's like, did it stick? Did it stay? Okay, no, this is permanent, right? This is now something that's going to really outlast your
Well, you know what I'm scared is when I wash a transfer material, and then I'm like, oh, and then it starts peeling up. You're like, oh no, it's peeling up. With this, what's really cool, it is infused into the fabric. Now, all you need is a poly blend, and this is important because I know you guys really well. You're like at home going, what will this work on? Number one, Cricut has done a line that they guarantee it'll work on perfectly. So you want to go for that. If you go to hsn.com, we've got the entire assortment of all of these basics, all of these really cool surfaces. So I'd start there. If you're a little more frugal, saying, well, I've got a little something I might want to try, I would test an area. It's got to be a poly blend. I will not guarantee it'll 100% work, but I will if you get the Cricut items. But you know, try it, because if you've got it at home and you're like me, I'm probably going to try it. Do a little test to make sure it's going to work on that blend that you're using, but it does have to be a poly blend, because I know you guys are thinking about that out there, because I know you, because you're just like me. All right, what's your next project?
I'm preparing my t-shirt. So like Cricut made all these amazing t-shirts that you can get in lots of sizes. I'm going to warm this up. Now, what is so remarkable about getting 5 infusible ink pens with this set is that you can freehand your design. All right? Now, imagine...
Can you imagine having your kids make a drawing? How cute would that be?
Right. Or have the Cricut Explore Air 2 draw your your proud grandma design on the mat. And you see how that happened? Like, this is on laser compatible copy paper.
No kidding.
No kidding.
Just on
and don't
laser
do this
paper.
Like this, Anna Griffin. Right, just on the copy paper. So it was drawn, right? Now it's going to, you mirror image you're basically making your iron-on transfer out of regular paper.
That's great. So I just need laser paper and those pens and my machine, of course, to make this happen.
Right, and I'm using a heat-resistant tape that's gonna actually help us with this.
And by the way, we've got that in stock, you guys. If you want to get the heat-resistant tape, it's the coaster and tape set. So you can make 4 designer coasters, and you get the tape in that collection as well. We're gonna put that up there for you guys can see it. Okay,
so 40 more seconds. Proud Grandma's gonna have a t-shirt. And what's so incredible about like the dinosaur that we showed, your imagination really is going to come to life in using Infusible ink for the first time, because you can use it in conjunction with traditional heat transfer vinyl, which is the iron-on that we know and love. You can use them both as for a more complicated project. Sometimes different surfaces call for different types of materials. And so Cricut is constantly evolving. It's an amazing experience to play with this and to see, look at this. I just think this is so much fun. All right, sorry. We wanna go right here. Ready? Hold your breath, Suzanne. Whoop. All right, now I didn't transfer it completely. But do you see what?
Oh, I love that.
Isn't that something? So the calligraphy, like the machine draws with the precision. The machine does the, I have one that's perfect over here.
That's so
that you
cool.
can see how amazing it would be to show up at your grandson's football game, you know, and be excited.
Or like I said, take laser paper and have the kids draw their own drawings and make grandma her shirt, other little goofy stick figures. How cute would that be? All right, or a tote or a quilt. Oh, can you imagine if you got fabric and then you were making like a t-shirt quilt and they have all the little drawings on it? I'm losing my mind. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I just think it's so cool. So let me explain what we have. We have two options. This is important that you understand, and I do apologize, you guys, because it's a goof up in our systems, and so like, I don't know, I'm just gonna go, I don't know, hit a bunch of IT people. Here's what happens. You're ordering two different ways. If you want the full bundle with the brand new colors in the Cricut Explore Air, you can ask for that. You can get that online for $229.95. We have a fabulous bundle in the full package. So if you don't have a Cricut or you don't have an electronic cutting machine, you want to get this tonight while we have it available. If you just want the pens that you just saw her work with, remember, that's going to be an additional upsell you'll have to buy separately. We include it. This is the $59 bundle. We also give you the full toolkit, which is crazy great to get this included. That by itself is $27 here. You get the tote you saw Anna working with. Here's where the big deal rolls in. You're getting 12 sheets of the 12 by 12. Right now we have a 6-sheet set online that's $25. Tonight you're getting 12. That's a $60 value by itself. And if I just added the tools to that, we are well over $59. So if you already have the Cricut, I would highly recommend getting multiples of this, because absolutely no one beats the value on the Infusible sheets that you're seeing here. So, and if you want to get this by itself, the $59 one, you've got to use your phone. And you got to do the old-fashioned way. You got to call that 800 number, but absolutely stock up on that $59 deal, because it is exceptional tonight.
So Suzanne, I've got lots of things to show you. Imagine, so Design Space is that free software that runs the machine, right? The Cricut Explore Air 2. And there are 100,000 designs. So if you love to garden and you just type in plants, you can draw your transfer and transfer it to this tote bag. Amazing. So cool. There are things as vibrant as this. Look at that. There are ceramic coasters. There are aluminum based coasters that you can use with your infusible ink. The sky is the limit with this brand new material, and it's really, really exciting to have it here.
I'm so pumped about it.
Yeah.
It's real. I was so mad. I knew it was coming because I get Cricut emails. I was all excited. And we came in, I'm like, hey, when are we getting Infusibles? They go, not this show. And then they finally have them the next show. So here's your chance to be able to get them. Please understand, we have the best bundle anywhere. I don't care where you go to retail, you're not gonna find this bundle. You're absolutely not gonna find this value. And again, if you just want the bundle itself without the Cricut, please use the 800 number, but I don't want you to miss out. If you want the Cricut to go with the bundle, which again is absolutely exceptional value, then you can go online to be able to get that. That is indeed kind of cool. That's a good way to end it.
Kind is cool, yes.
Okay, so real quick, I gotta tell you, Anna's gonna be back. I'm about to explode tonight because I'm so pumped for our shows. You have